the C-Class models with a panoramic glass roof. It is made up of two main elements, the glass section in the rear and the tilting or sliding roof in the front, which is also made of glass. To replace the glass panel of the tilting or sliding roof, first move the roof upward into the tilt position. This allows you to remove the plastic trim pieces that hide the lift mechanism. Lift them up slightly at the front and then slide them to the rear to get them out. Pull out the rubber seal to give you more room to work. The glass panel is mounted to the tilt or slide mechanism by 3 bolts. These 3 bolts can now be removed. Do the same on the other side. After both sides are loose, you can remove the panel by lifting it up and out. Carefully place the new glass panel in position. Reinsert all 6 bolts and tighten them only partially. You should still be able to move the roof for adjustment. Move the sliding roof to its rest position. The correct position of the sliding roof must be determined from outside. Use a folding rule to determine the location of the measuring points. Mark the measuring points with adhesive tape. Measure 140 millimeters inwards from the outer edge of the sliding roof and apply tape. Using a gap gauge, check whether the front and rear seal joints are the same distance from the roof at the measuring points. If required, make adjustments by carefully moving the roof's sliding section. Once the front and rear gaps are equal, you will need to adjust the height of the glass panel at the roof line. The rear edge should project upward by 0.5 millimeters. After adjusting the rear edge, double-check the front edge. You can see that it is offset by 0.5 millimeters. Here, the sliding roof must lie slightly below the roof line. Once the sliding roof is properly positioned, tighten all the bolts. To ensure everything looks like it did before, reinsert the plastic trim pieces over the lift mechanism. Push the rubber seal back into place. You still need to normalize the roof. Move the roof upward and hold the switch pressed for 1 second longer. Then close the roof and again hold the switch pressed for 1 second longer. Move the roof back as far as possible to perform the teach-in run for the anti-pinch protection. Again, hold the switch pressed for 1 second longer. Do the same when closing the roof. Repeat the procedure for the roller sun blind. Close, hold for 1 second, open, hold for 1 second. The vehicle is ready to return to the customer.